Yes.
This is very nice.
Is it Grizzly approved?
Grizzly approved.
Yes! I've been hearing a lot about nuclear annihilation and the end of the world and stuff like that. Well, we can't have that happen. Why are you looking at me that way? Why are you giving me that face? Who's this guy? If an EMP went off, that car will never start. I think even this van is never gonna start. What are you doing here? Yeah. Wait, okay. Not really. You're just mocking me at this point. What better vehicle for the apocalypse than a military Humvee? We got it painted, as you guys saw some of the other videos. These are the real X doors. They're made out of Kevlar, so they can stop like rocks, is about it. Really? Grizzly, did you put this on here?
Of course.
Enough of that nonsense. Kids these days. Got to take a few things out of here. It's been used more or less as storage for now. Let me open the back, I'll show you. Oh yeah. Oh, not to hit that. As you can see, it's been used mostly for storage, because when you have a car in your garage that you don't move very often, things just find their way in there. Old seats. I don't even know what that is. Oh hey, it's our riv nut tool that we were thinking was at the other shop. Hey, look at that! Sweet. And lots of airplane parts in there, because that's just, I don't know what else to do with them. They end up out of the airplanes and in here. There you go. Some things we need to do to make sure we can escape the neighborhood if the apocalypse happened. We got to have some big tires right here to run over stuff. Check. We got extras tires underneath. Those are the military ones with the that big metal ring on the inside in case, you know, their run flat version. Check. You got to have a place to hold your gun up here, right here. What? Really? This? Now he's just showing off. You got your M16 grabber holder right here. But we're gonna have to do a few things to it. We're gonna need to put some rhino lining inside because things could get messy. Then we're gonna need to stock it with lots of good things to make the trip out of here. Who knows how long that's gonna take. And then I'm thinking we need something with a little pizzazz, with a little something, you know what I'm saying? I think it can go right up here. Hey Grizzly, can you help me with something? I've got an idea.
Oh yeah.
While we're waiting for this to dry, we need to find our supplies, the essential supplies we'll need for a trip during the apocalypse. In case you're thirsty, Grizzly's favorite, in case you're hungry. And then for a little pick-me-up, JC Newman, American Cigars, yummy. And then if we get bored, because it'll be the end of the world before anybody ever figures out how to do this thing. What? How the heck did you do that so fast?
I don't know. I get lucky sometimes.
Holy moly, that stuff stinks a lot. And it does say to wear gloves.
Oh.
I I am downwind of that. Wowzers. You just opened the can and already got one. Fantastic.
Oh, this is just the beginning. I'm going to be covered in it before it's done.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, ain't no probably about it.
We gotta put this on there with a roller. First coat light. Oh, let's go. Kabam, 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 holla! Yes, look at that. We've got the first coat on. It's supposed to be a light coat. Well, we did as light as we could get on there. Let this dry for a couple hours so it's no longer tacky like my outfits. And then we shall put the second coat on, and the rhino lining, or the Herculiner, will be finito. And we can get putting stuff back up on there and getting our bang pow put on the top. Let me know what kind of apocalyptic type vehicle are you building? If you're not building one, which one would you build? I'd love to know. Phew-wee. Let's see what we got done so far. We got some paint there. Some paint up there. Only a little bit of overspray on that. This is all painted. We got that. We haven't painted this yet because we haven't got to tape that off. Got a dinner of a couple of fig bars. We've been waiting for this to not be tacky, and it's still kind of tacky. I'd like to finish this up tonight, but it's already 7 o'clock. Got more taping to do over there. Maybe I can get that door and that bar done. I might just be able to get all the actual painting part of it done and have to do this first thing in the morning. But boy, I sure would like to get it done tonight so that it can be curing all night, and then tomorrow would be assembly day to get the seats in. We got a light bar to put on the front, and then of course we got bang bang firecracker pow to go on top. Gotta finish my dinner. That's kind of the way projects go though. I'm pretty excited about it. This is awesome. This is cool. Hey, I hang out in the comments section right when I post a video, so make sure you got the bell going. That way I can get back to you when you are one of the first people to comment on a video when I post it. That's what I'm talking about. Well, while I'm waiting for that stuff to cure and dry, I got some light reading to do. Trying to finish my commercial pilot's license, so I got my check ride coming up. Need to study. Let's see, vortex generation. That looks like a good place to start. Lift is generated by the creation of pressure differential over the wing surface. The lowest pressure occurs over the upper wing surface and the highest pressure under the wing surface. Ironically, that is a question in the test. How crazy is that? This pressure differential triggers the roll-up of the airflow aft of the wing, resulting in swirling air masses trailing downstream of the wing tips. There you go. Today's aeronautical knowledge nugget is brought to you by Jimmy's World. It is finally dry enough for us to be able to put the second coat on. I'm going to do that tonight so that it'll be curing overnight, and tomorrow we can come in, finish our painting here, and then be able to put the seats, get our light bar put up there, and maybe even mount our bang bang. Yeah! Let's get to work. Montage time. It is now the morning after. We got quite a bit of work done actually, and it is really a strong smell in the garage. And I'm pretty tired because I got out of here. I don't have any idea what time it was. It was very late, but today is a new day, and oh yeah, that is looking great. we'll be able to pull the tape off of all that up there today. Finish this hoop in the back and the back section right here. I think we're done with this. Sweet! One thing I am worried about is if the tailgate glued itself shut, because I had to fold it up. I don't have the room in the garage to leave the tailgate down, so let's see if it's glued shut. Okay. All right. Hey. All right. I like it. Sweet. How about that? Projects are actually getting done. Just took some encouragement. That's all. That blasted squirrel. Stupid thing has been eating into my house. Squirrel. Time for my favorite part of painting, and that is removing the tape. You get to see
You got the really thin tan line.
Here's Jimmy's World Top Tip. Well, Grizzly and I discovered that when you put rubbing alcohol and you get that stuff on you, wait, I had a big old line, there it is, that rubber stuff right there, it will rub right off. Huh, look at that. So there you go. When you are rhino lining and you get some rhino liner on you, a little bit of rubbing alcohol, poof, done. Jimmy's World Top Tip. Check it out! First seat in! Man, that looks awesome. All right, Grizzly, hop in. Let me know how it compares with the original little foldy things.
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice.
Is it Grizzly approved?
Grizzly approved. Can't wear Kevlar anymore though.
Oh yeah? Yeah. Yeah, you do look like you're sitting up a little bit higher.
I mean, well, when you go from 2 inches of foam to, what's that, 8?
Yes! Fantastic! Hey, we're doing a thing. Hey. Bam! Yes, sir, boys. It's really starting to come together. I'm loving it. Bazanga! We're gonna throw those, make the insulation gray so it breaks up some of the black interior that we got going on. I think that's gonna look really good. Let me know, guys. What do you guys think? Are we on the right track? Is this gonna be the coolest apocalypse vehicle ever? Yes. Let's put a door on. Reassembly. Nice! Bazinga! Grizzly approved? Nice. We need something up there that shines that way to scare away the zombies, and when the rest of the world goes dark, we can have the sun. I wonder what we can use. Hey Grizzly, you got any ideas?
Oh, I got this right here.
What you got? Yes! That works. We're now bomb-proof because we put bed liner in it. I mean, I saw it on the Discovery Channel, so you know it's true. This is awesome. That is freaking awesome. Yes. How cool is that? That's what I'm talking about right there. Although, hey Grizzly.
Yeah.
I think it's still missing something.
Yeah, I think so too.
I think this birthday cake needs a sparkler.
I think I know where you're going with this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go see what we can find.
Okay.
Say hello to my little friend. I'd like to introduce you to a Ma Deuce 50 cal. Kinda. This, not real bullets, spoiler alert. But it's got a special party trick where we've got some special little magic things to hook it up to propane and oxygen and make it go flash, flash, bang, bang, flash, bang. That's going to be the piece de resistance. We need to put it up on the truck, see how this thing looks. That's what I'm talking about! How awesome is that? I wonder what old Putin thinks of it, huh? Putin approved! Should have no issues with this whatsoever. We gotta connect the batteries, get this thing fired up. Hey Grizzly, you know where the batteries went for this?
I'm pretty sure they're up there with Mighty Mouse and Pablo.
Yep. Okay, Apocalypse, you're gonna have to wait a minute. We gotta go get some batteries. We had to find something to jump it with, and I only found one other vehicle with a 24-volt system. So, this should work out okay. Clear prop! Now that I've got the ultimate apocalyptic vehicle to get from here to the airport, we need the ultimate apocalyptic airplane. And I'm thinking Cold War era fighter jet. Pow, 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 pow. Only thing left to do before we head to the airport is to actually get this thing to work. We've got some ideas. Yes!